Hello guys, today we'll read about units and dimension, which is the chapter 1 of verma. SI units is what's taught at first. At first it is current is ampere, work is joule. You need to remember all this. There are three principal units: just mass, length, and time. The three principal units M, L, and T. So suppose we need to, in this chapter, the problem gives the formula. We need to find out the dimension of each unit. For example, taking basics, mass is calculated as M, length is calculated as L, time is T. We need to find out the, suppose question given is find out the dimension of velocity. Velocity is distance upon time. Distance, as I told, is calculated as length. L upon time is equal to Lt to the power minus 1. Now as acceleration is velocity upon time equal to Lt to the power minus 1, as we have already calculated T as an agent to Lt to the power minus 2. These are the basic things you should know at first. Now suppose we need to find out the force equal to mass into acceleration. Acceleration, mass is m, acceleration as find out as Lt to the power minus 2. So this is the function of force. Now what is the force of work? Work as you find out force into distance. Force as mL to the power minus 2 into L equal to mL square t to the power minus 2. Now, for example, question is given to find out the gravitational constant. Force equal to G into m1 m2 by r square. So this formula will be given to in the question. So you need to find out the G. To find out the G, take it G on one side, F into r square m1 m2. So force as mL t to the power minus 2 into L square. R is taken as length as L, m is taken as mass as m, so m square. So by calculating this, as you go, it's equal to m cut as minus 1 and L cube m minus 1 cube t to the power minus 2. Now suppose we will given as a density is equal to mass per unit volume. So mass in volume is calculated as L into L into L, or L cube ml to the power minus 3. Same, we can find out thus as surface tension is equal to rho g r h upon 2. This will be given in the question. Rho, as you know, found out as ml to the power minus q. G is equal to lt to the power minus 2. L into r is taken as length, h is taken as length by 2. 2 is a constant which needs to be considered. So finding out L minus 3, L will be cancelled out. M t to the power minus 2 is the answer.